Hello and welcome to your 10-minute meditation. Today we're going to do things a little bit differently. In this meditation, I'll be talking a lot less and giving you a lot more quiet space to simply relax, to breathe, and to enjoy some peace and calm. There's nothing special that you need to do. Just settle in comfortably, and you can close your eyes if you like. And then let's begin. Start by bringing your attention to your breath. Simply notice your breathing. Notice each breath in and notice each breath out. Take it nice and easy. Let your body just naturally settle and soften with each exhale. Keep your attention gently on your natural breath. If your mind wanders, that's perfectly okay. That's what the mind does. When you notice your mind has wandered, just gently bring your attention back to your natural breath. Use your breath as an anchor to keep you very gently in this present moment. For the next few minutes, I'll just check in now and then to help you stay present. And now just relax, relax, relax. If your thoughts have drifted away, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Let yourself simply rest here, breathing quietly and naturally. enjoy this moment of quiet rest right here, exactly as you are. And notice your body resting here, supported, at ease. That's good. And now slowly and easily begin to bring your awareness back to the room around you. Notice any sounds nearby. Notice the feeling of your body resting here. And then take a deeper breath in, filling your lungs before breathing it all out, and let everything go. In your own time, gently blink your eyes open. And take a quiet moment to appreciate yourself for making time for this peace and quiet today. If you enjoyed this meditation, why not join me for just 10 minutes a day for the next 10 days to enjoy more quiet, more calm, and more clarity in your life. And I'll put a playlist on screen for you to do just that. And as I always like to do, I'm sending you peace, I'm sending you love, and I'm sending you happiness for the rest of your day.